91 degrees in Dallas right now, feels like 92. I mean, the humidity really not too terrible, especially when you compare it to what it was at times this weekend. And the heat, yes, we are above normal, but the normal high is like 88 this time of the year, so we're only a few degrees above normal. Yes, I know it is the middle part of September, and we're all thinking of fall and cooler weather on the way, and we had that spectacular fall weekend a couple weekends ago. But remember, all of those temps were actually way below normal, and one morning we were like 4 degrees shy of a record low. So even that weekend was definitely well below normal for that time of the year. But I know we all want that fall weather to return, and tonight and into tomorrow morning, pretty seasonable. Upper 60s to about 70 degrees, normal low 68. So I mean, not too terrible, but, you know, I wish it was cooler as well. I wish we had those days where it was in the 50s, and even a few locations in North Texas were down in the 40s. But, well, this is what we're dealing with. 80s across eastern North Texas tomorrow, where there'll be a little more cloud cover. There's where I was talking about. Normal highs, 88, about 91, 92 from Dallas to Fort Worth, 90 or above from the DFW area to the west. Once again, tomorrow the humidity will not be too terrible. Out to the east, you still have to head pretty far east, but there's some cloud cover, and you have to head even farther east to find some showers kind of circulating around this, what's left of a little low pressure system there. There's that tropical system that actually never ended up developing into a named tropical system, but it is bringing a lot of rain to North Carolina there. That one not going to influence our weather at all. In fact, we have high pressure back overhead, and it's just going to be sticking around the rest of the week, and that's why this last official week of summer is definitely going to feel like it the rest of the week and maybe even into the first part of the weekend. But Sunday time frame, that high pressure may move out just enough to open the door for a weak cold front to move in. When I say cold front, I'm not talking significant cold front or anything like that, but might help us out a little bit as far as temperatures are concerned late week and into next week, or late weekend and into next week. And given the fact that the pattern turns a little unsettled next week, we could have some rain chances to return to the area as well. But between now and the end of this upcoming weekend, I mean, tons of rain going to fall across the central to northern plains there, but a lot of Texas not really going to see much in the way of rainfall. A few little spotty showers out to the east. The Panhandle, actually kind of the rainier spot between now and the rest of this week and into the upcoming weekend. For us, though, temps are going up. 91 tomorrow, only 3 degrees above normal, but definitely well above normal the rest of the week. 95 on Wednesday, 96 Thursday, 97 on Friday. That's 10 above normal. 96 Saturday, and there's that cold front I was talking about. I mean, we only go from 96 to 92, but next week may be a little bit better. Light winds and pleasant tonight. 71 will be your low, and then tomorrow it's warm, it's dry. We'll have light winds, pretty similar to today. There might be a little cloud cover across eastern areas, so that's why I call it partly to mostly sunny. The morning might start off with some clouds across eastern North Texas. Those break up and will be mostly sunny tomorrow afternoon. So it's 90s the rest of the week, 90s this weekend. Next week starts off in the 90s and mostly stays around that 90-degree mark, and it'll be pretty warm for the start of the state fair, but that's also nothing out of the ordinary as well. It's usually pretty warm for the start of the state fair. As I mentioned, it turns a little unsettled next week, where we could have some rain return to the area, but still right now I don't have anything widespread or soaking. Of course, we'll monitor those rain chances as we get closer and see if any of those can go up as we do get closer to next week. But as of now, I'm not overly optimistic about any widespread soaking rain for next week. But here's hoping at least we see a little something by the time we head into next week as far as rainfall is concerned.